Hey everyone! Want to turn random text into a catchy song? Today I'll show you how to do it using the Voicemod's text to song feature in just simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Voicemod text to song and click the Voicemod site, and this works on mobile and PC. And once you're in, choose your preferred song style. Then, select a singer from the available AI voices to match the vibe that you want. Now, paste your text or type any lyrics that you want to turn into a song. Then, after that, click Generate Song and wait for a few seconds for the voice mod to create it. And that's it. You can now turn and preview download your song for a perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or just for fun. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tricks. Thanks for watching.